Once upon a time, in a distant kingdom, there was an enchanted forest. This forest was filled with towering trees, colorful flowers, and all sorts of creatures. Walking through the forest was an adventure, as surprises lurked around every corner. One day, a young girl named Ella set out for the forest. Ella's eyes sparkled with excitement, for this was her first time venturing into the enchanted woods. Along the way, she encountered many friendly creatures. Crickets sang songs. Butterflies danced with vibrant colors. Soon, Ella came across an owl perched under a tree. The owl's name was Whisk, and he was the wise guardian of the enchanted forest. "Welcome, Ella," said Whisk, "to the enchanted forest. This place is fun and full of adventure, but it's also educational and enlightening." Ella eagerly sat beside Whisk and asked, "What should I do here? What secrets does this forest hold?" Whisk smiled mysteriously and replied, "As you journey through this forest, you must be careful, for secrets abound. Let me tell you one of the greatest secrets of the forest. Every creature living here is interconnected, working together to protect the forest. Trees communicate with the soil, birds with the air, and the ripples of water with water itself. Maintaining this balance is crucial." Ella listened in awe to Whisk's words. "How can we preserve this balance?" she asked. Whisk thoughtfully answered, "Each of us must respect nature and live in harmony with it. When the balance of the forest is disrupted, it affects not only the forest, but all life. We humans are also a part of nature, and it's our duty to protect it." Gratefully, Ella thanked Whisk. Then she continued her exploration of the forest, meeting various animals and teaching them the importance of nature. She sang with the birds, hugged the trees, showing her love for them. At the end of her time in the forest, Ella had learned the importance of nature and how to respect it. The enchanted forest had taught her many things, and she would continue to share this knowledge with others. And so, the mystery of the enchanted forest would be discovered by living in harmony with nature and protecting it.